A basic if statement effectively says, if a particular test is true, then perform a given set of actions. If it is not true, then don't perform those actions. If statement follows the format like the following. Now open up Nano with your .sh file. Note that Bash is an interpreted language, so basically we need the Bash interpreter to execute this script after we give it an execution permissions. A way to tell our system to use Bash as an interpreter for this script, not something else like Python or Perl. We have to put this line at the very first of our file. Second thing we have to note is comments, if you never used comments. Let me tell you, it is the way that programmers can describe their own scripts and how it works to make code more readable and more easy to edit later. Comments is easy to use, just put a hashtag before what you want to say. So let's type something like this is my first script. To pass arguments from command line we can use $ and number of argument. Argument starts from 0 and 0 refers to the script name itself. So let's make a simple usage status like the following. If not argument 1 is set, then echo usage is script name plus username. Else, if argument 1 is equal to Amanda, then echo welcome admin. And if not, echo sorry try again. Fi. Now save the script. Back to our terminal. Give the script execution permissions and run it. As we can see, it gives us the usage message. Now let's try with any string, it gives us sorry message. But if we typed Amanda, done, our condition is true. And yay, that was everything for this tutorial.